jury session. At the outset, I express my sincere condolences and utmost respects to those eminent personalities who have contributed tremendously to the state and nation. Many speakers before me have highlighted their achievements and contributions. I also would love to talk and speak about each personality. However, due to time and technical constraint, as I'm speaking through VC, I wish to speak briefly about Ruagin Valt, who represented Thanlon Assembly constituency and who died under most tragic and unfortunate circumstances after a prolonged illness for more than 2 years. Ruagin Valt was a prominent politician representing Thanlon Assembly constituency. He was a leader who tirelessly worked for not only people of his constituency, but also for the people of Manipur. He was a leader who tirelessly worked for not only people of his constituency, but also for the people of Manipur. He had done many good things for his AC, and his contributions in development and administration in the state would always be remembered. I wish to apprise this august House that his body is still lying in state, awaiting a befitting burial. I appreciate the steps taken so far by Honorable Chief Minister to resolve certain issues. He paid a visit to Medanta when his body was still in the hospital. He had also deputed Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to hear the grievances of his family members and the community leaders. I appeal to this august House to take up necessary steps to resolve the issues and deliver justice as early as possible. I am with the family members and with the people in their hours of grief. Thank you.
Honorable Member, Honorable Minister KHAUTE.
Thank you, sir. Sir, sige.